Yeah. Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Alright, one time. Hello mga kabiyas! This is Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy, and welcome to my channel. Ngayong araw na ito, may babahagi ko sa inyo na isa sa pinakapaboritong kakanin ng pamilyang Pilipino, ang Suman Malagkit. Kaya tutok na kung paano gumawa ng suman or Budbud Nilambiran Ube Flavor sa aming mga Bisaya. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. I love you! Okay, dito yung mga kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating suman or ating budbud Bisaya. Okay? Yan. Unang-una, kailangan natin ng glutinous rice or malagkit na rice. Ayan. And then, kailangan natin ng coconut cream. Ayan. Coconut cream. And then, I have two types of sugar. Meron akong brown sugar at meron din akong white sugar. And then, meron tayong asin or salt, meron tayong ginger, and then meron tayong food coloring to enhance the color para sa ating linambiran siya. Parang ganong style ang suman natin. Two-tone na suman. Okay? Purple at saka white color. Ayan. Okay, yan po ang mga kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating special suman. Ayan. Unang-una nating gagawin, ang ating banana leaf ay kailangan na nating idarang or kailangan na nating idaan sa ating stove. Yan. Okay? Para hindi po siya madaling mabitas. Okay? Right. Stay tuned. Bisaya among siyang ihaw. Yan. Kailangan ihawb siya kasi para hindi madaling mapigtas yung suman ninyo. Ang pagbalot nyo sa suman mamaya. Okay? And then we just, after this, you just clean it up with a clean cloth. Okay? Binabad ko na po itong ating yung ating glutinous rice about 1.5 hours. Yan. Okay? And look at this. Easy na siya ma-brittle. Tignan nyo. Easy to brittle. Yan. Ma-break na siya kagad. Ayan. Kusa siyang na-break. Okay? Sa ating pan, na mainit na pan, okay, in a low medium fire, we just put in our coconut cream, okay, or kakanggata. Okay, just a continuous na paghalo. Kasi ina-avoid po natin na masunog yung ating coconut cream. In our brown sugar. Add in our brown sugar. Okay. Look at that. Looks yummy. And then we just add on our white sugar. Okay, and then we just add on our salt. And then we just add our ginger. Kaming mga Bisaya, mahilig kasi talaga kami maglagay ng ginger. Sa aming munggo, sa mga gulay, ayan, mahilig kami. Pati sa aming suman, nilalagyan namin ng ginger or luya. Okay, pwede na natin i-add yung ating glutinous rice. Okay, ating malagkit. Hanggang sa medyo maluto na siya and evenly mixed. Yes! Ukay lang ng ukay, 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 halukay, halukay, yeah, yeah, halukay. Alright, I'm enjoying while doing this. Yes. Yeah, yeah, come on, come on. Yeah. Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Alright, one time. Yeah! Ayan, malapit na pong maluto ang ating suman. Yes! Yan na po ang itsura ng ating suman. After how many minutes ng ating paghahalukay? Continuous sa paghahalukay, ang ating mga balikat ay lupay-pay na. Alright! Okay! Ayan, luto na po. Ayan. Pre-cook na po ang ating suman. Alright. Ayan, papalamigin lang po natin yan. Papalamigin lang natin. We just leave it for a few minutes para lumamig. About 5 minutes para lumamig ng konti. And easy to handle para magbalot. And then, yeah. We'll just see you later para sa ating pagbabalot ng ating suman. Alright, ng ating Budbud Bisaya. This is purple color. Yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating gagawing suman after 5 minutes na aking pagpapalamig. Ayan. Yan. Ito yung aking purple color. Kasi two-tone po yung aking gagawin na kumbaga parang two-tone. Yan. Linambiran. Yan. Okay. Ito po yung aking white. Alright, then we just start to do our suman. Yan. Ayan, pagbabalot na natin ang ating suman. Okay? Napakaswerte. Kasi jumbo siya. Yan. Okay? Yes, so yummy. Yes. Hindi pa maluto ay yummy na. Okay guys, yan na po ang ating nabalot na suman or budbud Bisaya. Ayan, Budbud Nilambiran sa mga taga Leyte. Ayan, alright. Okay. Ayan, ilalagay na po natin siya sa ating casserole para ating pakukuluan. Ayan. And then pakukuluan lang po siya ng about 30 minutes. Alrighty! Okay, we just put in 3/4 cup of water. Yan, hanggang sa almost kalahati. Right. And then, lagyan lang natin siya ng dahon din. Yan. Okay. And then, tatakpan natin. And we just cover. You just cover and then put it at the kalan. For low-medium heat, we'll let it cook for about 30 minutes. Alright, see you after 30 minutes. Okay.
It is such my pleasure to be with you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you get something and learn something out from this video guide. And to always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Always keep safe everyone wherever you are now. And kung bago ka sa channel ko, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo para sa mga upcoming videos. Alright, thank you so much and see you again in my next video. Alright, love you, bye!
Thank you.